Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate about our system, how we can read it, and what is the time zone, and what are the times where we need to make an entry as per our system. Okay. So now see, now I'm just demonstrating this my tool how it is work. Many people are confused. Okay, so because as you know, if you want to make accuracy, right, so then you need to have a system which you need to look into the all each aspects, whatever work in the market. Okay, so basically now I'm just demonstrating you some of points which our how we can read our model and how we can apply for making a entry. Okay, first of all, what we have our system. Okay, so based on the asset, like we have selected the nifty here, so based on the asset, we can project it our time window. Okay, what is the time will be and what was the price will be act on that particular zone. Okay, so here suppose we can select any time frame, but this is a very micro analysis. Okay, micro analysis for big analysis. As you know, when we are doing the analysis or projecting the time, so then only the 1 minute time frame you need to consider, otherwise you will not get the correct window, okay, for the intraday. Because this system, whatever I'm just demonstrating here, come fully for intraday. As you know, intraday 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time we have to select, okay, to get accurate time of entry or exit. Okay, where we need to make a your position, right? So now suppose we, because this I'm making this window, this video only because my people are asking how we can read your data. Okay, and the accuracy of our system almost 100%. Okay, so now see how we can read our system. Okay, now see, we have selected the nifty chart. Okay, here nifty chart, and we have selected 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is the nifty, just wait a minute. Yeah, so now suppose this is our nifty chart. Okay, nifty chart we have selected, and time frame is 1. So now whatever the things I'm going to demonstrate here, so this is the nifty chart. Like it start from here. This is the today 20 21 21st of Jan. Okay, January. Okay, so then from here the market, whatever the activity market has done, so that is the chart of the 2 days. Okay, of nifty 50. Yeah, so now suppose how we can, so as we have the our projected time, we are not going to much detail, so I just copy the data, so like that in our system we can get this data. Okay, this data, and our also advanced system we can have that it will tell us market in that market in which side. So suppose as market open from here, so you know, you see around, you see the window here, the price market is open at, you see here what is the time, you can go to this candle. Okay, so what market open here, 25,145. Okay, today, so then it's went up, right? After that our system has been detected, and it's saying it's continuously forecasting about the selling. So now market was on selling side. Okay, so now market, then we have waited. So generally we wait for couple of minutes, like generally we wait till 25 till 9:20. So based on our system, then we decide and where we need to go. After that we got the market was in selling side. Okay, so then we have made this entry. So we have made the entry where we need to we need to know the target, right? We need to know the target, so we need to see the chart structure, and our target was, what will be the targets. We have the target list. Okay, we have forecasted the target. What, suppose one target is completed, then we can trail up, we can trail our step loss, right, and we can wait for another target. So accordingly we can achieve the some targets which we have already shared, right? Based on that our model, it gives the time window. You see there is a time here. So suppose if you look here, yeah, so this is the nifty, we have projected the time. So you know there is a today, there is a two time window. The time window starts from 12.1, this here the start timing 12 11:55 to 12.1 minute. Okay, 12 hours 1 minute. Okay, that is the first time window. Second time window is 3 o'clock 1 minute. Okay, 3 o'clock 1 minute to 10 o'clock 3 o'clock 10 minutes. So that is the 3 o'clock 3 o'clock 1 minute and 3 o'clock 10 minutes. That is the time window. And first time window is here 11 what is this 11 o'clock 55 minutes. 11 o'clock 55, that is this time window. Okay, so that you know the violet line, I have marked this the violet line. Okay, initially see this is the happening before see market is not coming up to here. So all analysis has been we have done when the market is here. So all analysis we have done, we have forecasted here these lines, like this violet line and these lines, blue lines, vertical lines. Basically these are the time windows, okay, where we need to look. Okay, so these time windows, like here one time window is 10:55. Okay, another time window is 12 this one, what is the 11:55 to 12 1 minute. Okay, that is the time window. And this time window, and this time window we have the different so generally we got this data from the two time window. One this violet color, this time window, another is time window is here. So now at price we need to wait till price will come here. So then accordingly we can make a entry here. So suppose we price came here and our time zone is activated. So based on the previous market, whatever market has price has done, so then we can make a entry accordingly. Okay, and we can write it. And what will be the target? We have the separate system to get the how we can get the target, or we need to see the chart structure. So what will be the target? Suppose you are making entry, the what should be the target? We have to we can target this target, right? Previous high this one. Okay, so that should be the target. Okay, this we can write from here to here. So here based on this we can make this data, this it will give you the entry. But here we have our system is giving the selling, right? We were in the selling side till when? Till this time. This also is very important time window. Vertical line, this is the vertical first line, which is we have another our system, it will give you here. Suppose this is our system, this is the price time by system. So we can get this time basically point of intersection of this point, like selling and buying. So these are the both projection prices. Okay, selling and buying. So whenever this price buying price and selling price will intersect, that should be the your target. Mean target in that in terms of time. So that should be the time you should, this is the time window is here. So this time is 10:55. You see at this point market was selling and till this point market was falling. So then we got up to we reach up to here. Next market, whatever market, see we get the time window. Okay, after that you can directly make it. If you know the target, you can make directly entry here. Okay, so now your target, your selling target has been completed here. So as our model has projected, said then again you don't worry about the thing. So and you can make it entry here. Okay, so and write it, right? So then you make you made already entry here. Then what should be your target? Target should be your 50% of your fall. First 50%, then 100% if the market, if the price move, right? So accordingly you can rotate your stop loss. And if you enter as a client, there is a very minimal very few point SL here. You will not get any you will not lose any point here. So you are capturing. So whatever we know how we can capture the top and bottom of the any price swing. Okay, so that is a very advanced system. So you know you enter this here till where we got this time window. Till that we have to write here. So we got this we captured this whole move here. Then we took the reversal trade here. The market fall, then market is start moving up. We made entry here. So then where we need to write up to right, we have this target already. We have to wait here. So as you know, after that you make, even if you miss the entry here, so you need to wait for time zone. Okay, time zone is very important. Now time window is here. So this is the time window. So the price reach here. If you miss entry here, so then you need to wait of our time window. So my price has came here, then enter into the our time window. Then you can make an entry here. So as you know, price is moving upside, then you need to make the entry, right? So and one more thing, if if this time zone at the support and at the supply and demand zone, so then you need to wait which side is breaking, so then you need to act accordingly. But the price is and price was on selling side, then price make a turn at his it start moving up, so based on that we need to make an upside entry here, so we made entry here. Okay, so see, this is the system, this is the for time window, this is a very advanced system. Okay, based on this I can, based on this my system I can project the time for any asset. Okay, so this is the my advanced tool which I have been working since for last 5 years continuously. So I got this, and yeah. So now suppose again price is moving here. We made entry, right? Up to where? This time. So as you know, price is now you are from this zone. You are in the buying side. So then green line. You need to follow the green line of our for projecting price. Okay, so accordingly we need to take this vertical line, this is angle, we need to check. Okay, what are the angle we have? So if the price is cutting cut the degree of the price is moving, suppose you see this zone, so market in the buying zone, so then you need to consider the buying zone. Okay, so you have to, you reach up to here, you reach up to here in this fall, then you are in this zone, right? So then moving side, you need to moving side and check from here to here, and what is the time here? It is 12:55 something. Okay, that is the angle is cutting, the angle cut to 70 degree at this price, so that is the time, and this is the time. Okay, so this time what is the, you see that the time is 11:55, then 11:55, right? What should be the this time? Okay, so this what is that time here? Time will get from here, so what is the time here? 12. So this is the time in, yeah, right? This is the 12, so this is the time. Okay, so basically this you can, this is not the, yeah, this one. So basically this time, this is the green line cut is here, so that is the time here, it will project here 12:55. So this is the 12:55, you see this is the 12:55, this is the 12:55 till 20, from here to here we need to write. So there is, if from here to here there is a two time, one time is here, one time is here, so one time is here, this is the one time, this is the one time, this is one time 12:23. Okay, this is 12:55, so there is a two time cut here, this angle like 270 315. So these are the two time, we got the time window. So from here we need to write from which time, these are the two time, this two time. So then you see if the market made at a huge the high here, after that market reach here, then market start falling, right? So then you need to consider this falling price means selling price means red color. So till where, till this point is cut 90 degree at this point, at the time 18 something 18, right? So then you will get here 18 degree, you see up to from market fall from 18 initially market fall right here, so that was the entry, right? After that what happened, yeah, so it fall, that after that it also we need to check this point continuous falling, right? So you need to, like that you need to find out the your time window, right? So that was, and we can continuously writing, as you know market is falling from the top, so then we can our target it can be adjust, right? First we can take 50% of this, right? 50 like 1/4, then one half of this, right? And we can have this, and this also important, market has open here, opening price and previous closing day, these are the very important price, the where market, the where price will act, right? So like this market today, market open at this this orange line, so till that orange line opening price we can set the target at here. So like that you, this time zone is, suppose you miss the entry, time zone is a perfect way to figure out where you need to make your entry. So as you know, if you make an entry here, is almost 200 to 216 points move, or 200, how much point move is this, you see here total, this move is 240 points move here, based on time. Okay, so like that we can capture all entry advanced system we have developed here. Okay, so and it's not a easy for the beginner, and so it's require always be a technical detail, and because it's very yeah, so each point see, if you want to capture all the move, right, or the market, every move, yeah, every move can be captured through my system. Like you are scalp, if you are a scalper, then you can make a small range, you can take a smaller swing, right? So then you can make it. So everything is possible here, but it's very advanced system. It's not for beginner. Okay, so always require assistance for if you are using this. Okay, yeah, so that this video I have demonstrate few point because of my people ask how we can utilize this your model, sir. So that's what I made this video. Okay, and if you have any query, just let me know. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you. Bye bye until our next video.